Alright Josh, what are we making today?
Making a one-pot jambalaya.
First I prep all of the vegetables and meat. I'll chop the green onions. Next I'm going to chop the onion. I use a smaller knife just to do it a little bit faster. Next I cut the green peppers. Next I cut the celery in half and then slice it so it's all about the same width so that they'll cook about the same amount of time. I flip over the cutting board and use the other side so that I don't get anything on the chicken. I do the chicken last because I don't want to contaminate it with anything else. Next I cooked up the sausages and finished them off in the oven. Then I added the chicken and the seasonings.
You want the chicken to get a good enough sear on it, but you don't want to overcook it because it's going to be in the jambalaya for a little while. Then it's time to add all of your vegetables in so that those can get cooked a little bit.
For 3 to 5 minutes.
Then you can just add the lid on top so that it cooks evenly.
Once the sausage was done, about 80% of it, I cut it and then added it to the jambalaya. Then I added the chicken stock and the crushed tomatoes.
This is what the rice will cook in, and it infuses it with so much flavor. And you just want to bring that up to a boil, and then you can add your rice.
And let that simmer for about 20 or so minutes. I then lowered the temperature and let it cook. That way it didn't stick to the bottom. Then I added the raw shrimp, and I just basically needed to just let it cook for a little bit and thicken up.
This is when you really start seeing it all come together. All of the meat's pretty much cooked inside, and the rice is almost fully cooked as well. It really starts to get thick near the end.
And here's the final result.
Here it is. Let's taste it.
Shrimp.
That was the thing. I want a shrimp too.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah.
That was good. If you want the recipe for this one-pot jambalaya, it'll be on our website, theparentingplate.com. We'll have it linked down below. And if you like this video, then make sure you
Like, comment, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.